Now they are counting the sheep as they come in, one after the other. This they do every day. Every time the sheep come in, you can see how comfortable they are inside here. And this side we have the breeders, the females which are pregnant. Teenage breeders. Okay? Ah, these are the males, huh? The ones that they are using to breed. This is the king Dorper. This is good. Yeah, so these are the males they use for breeding. Yeah? Great job. Hey, I'm so impressed. Ah, look at this one. Hey. So what do you do for you release them to the females or you bring the females here?
You release them to the females.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, not every day.
Not every day.
Okay. Hey, this is good. Nelson Kyama Mwaniki reporting for Modern Occupational Health. These are the sheep that we are going to use to feed the safflower after we thresh the seeds. Whatever will remain, we'll give to this sheep Dorper project. So there's nothing that goes to waste for safflower.